Here's the debate that we had at the family dinner table like 2-3 weeks ago. Enjoy. I don't know how else to depict my dad, so deal with it. Ugh, look at this video. They're some foreign country and they're teaching their kids how to wipe their butt. They're saying you have to fold the paper, wipe, fold it again, and wipe. Okay, yeah, kind of like this. Wipe, fold again, wipe. Boy, why do you have toilet paper? That doesn't make any sense. Where'd you even get it from? Why are you showing me how to wipe when I just explained it to you? Yeah, I'm sorry, Dad. That's more of a visual representation for the viewers. Sorry. What viewers? The viewer. Never mind. Yeah, whatever. Anyways, that's what I'm saying. That's weird. I don't know why they're doing it. It's disgusting. I just don't understand why it's weird. Like, it conserves paper and it's pretty normal, right? That's how everyone does it, right? First of all, you're not my son. That's disgusting. Second of all, disgusting. Because you're telling me you wipe. Your hands are filthy. The paper's filthy. You decide to fold it up and wipe again. Why is that disgusting? Does it matter? The world's dying. Conserve paper. Like, what do you mean? Boy, are you... Look at this. They already cut the paper. They already cut the tree. And they made it into the paper. Use the paper. That's disgusting. I ain't folding my hand in no doo-doo. And then touching it again. Disgusting. You wash your hands afterwards. What's the big deal? I mean, maybe it'd be disgusting if you're just doing that and then you go and not wash your hands. Like, first of all, you adopted. Secondly, so you do get doo-doo on your fingers. I don't get no doo-doo on my fingers, you get doo-doo on your fingers. That's disgusting. I wash my hands, so it doesn't matter what happens. I use the bathroom, I conserve toilet paper, and I wash my hands. Please, tell me, I can't be the only one who thinks this is totally normal, right? You can't all be that wasteful with toilet paper. No wonder why we go through it in like 3 days. What about you, bro? How do you use it? Yeah, Dad's right. You're not normal. That's weird. It's disgusting. Video's gross. I can't believe you do it that way. You're weird. See? That's my boy. He's not adopted. He thinks that's weird. You're weird. You know what, Dad? He wasn't even here for the first part of the conversation. Let's just ask him. You, before we say anything else, before we show you the video, before we explain anything, how do you wipe your bum? Here's the toilet paper. Go ahead. We're in a restaurant. You want me to do that now? No. Boy, no. What I want you to do is show us in the air what you would do. Yeah, see, that makes a lot more sense, bro. Okay, so what I do, take toilet paper, and I just... There we go. That's what I do. Hold up. Back up. That's worse than your brother. Ugh. Can't take you guys anywhere. Bunch of heathens. Yep. You don't get to touch the doors anymore. Nope. Don't. You're walking home too. Yep. True story. Subscribe. Okay, maybe not all of it was 100% factual, but the majority of that conversation was, so subscribe?